everyone, my name is Amika Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I got these waves with the Illuminati Amika Ceramic Styler, stay tuned and I'll show you how to get these waves. Check it out. I brought my entire Amika bag. Let's just see what we're working with. Top Gloss. If you haven't tried it, you need to. I feel like maybe I'm gonna just do a flat iron look. Just like waves with my flat iron. If you like the waves you get from this, and you're savvy with a straightening tool, then I will show you how to get bigger, wider versions of this with your ceramic styler to get this look. I honestly feel like this is actually a pretty fast, easy hairstyle as well. Although using the high tide deep waver is even faster, if you don't have one yet and it's something that you like doing and you want to do it now, this is a way you can get that look. So I'm going to be using the Illuminati Diamond Styler. I just got a notification to check into my flight. I'm actually flying from St. Louis, which is where I'm at right now, to Detroit tomorrow. So I'm here for literally like a day. And then bam, back on the Amika tour. So I'm going to turn on my styler. I'm going to turn it off apparently. Oh my God, can't take me anywhere. Turning it back on. And then I'm gonna just turn it up. I already have heat protector in my hair. I didn't do anything for this flight. I just like straight up woke up. I was like, I'm gonna make a video when I get back to my hotel, so here I am. I saved my hair for you guys. I'm also checking into my flight. All right, it's all warmed up. So I'm gonna just take a section here. You can do bigger sections or smaller sections. I'm actually gonna do a bigger section because I'm doing a much wider wave. So it's still like a crimp. So it is not supposed to be like Hollywood waves. This is a different look. This is just a crimpy, big crimp look without a big crimper. So you take your iron and you roll it up and then you flip it the exact opposite way, and as you drag it, you roll it down. And then you just keep going back and forth. I've made a video doing this before for you guys, but I'm using this Amika styler and it's so nice. It'll make my hair super shiny, which I love. And you'll see a big difference in how like smooth and nice it looks. If the hair starts like falling out, you can start over, just kind of re-grab it. Re-grab? You know what I'm saying. It's kind of like the ribbon effect. So I'm sorry that it's not, the wind just blew like crazy. I don't know. I'm like on the 4th floor. I'm not even that high up. You guys can't see super good because the lighting is terrible and it's like 7:30 p.m. and no more sunshine. So this is, I think, as good as we can get. In the end, I'll show you guys in the bathroom mirror. So hang tight, hang tight. We will make this work. We will figure this out. This time I brought my ring light, which was pretty smart. All right, now I will grab the back section. I'm gonna split this backside into 2. So technically I'm doing 3 sections on each side. I like to kind of start at the bottom because I don't like doing the top of my head. Hopefully you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Burning my finger. So it doesn't take too long either, but I feel like the high tide deep waver is just quicker and smaller. I feel like you couldn't get such small sections with that. And I think this does kind of have the effect of like Hollywood waves, but not quite, like not at all, actually. It certainly is deeper S pattern type waves. Oh no, I lost the section that I'm gonna be doing next. All right, so you guys can kind of see, it's not perfect because it's not supposed to be. I'm gonna mess it up in the end anyway. I'm not leaving it to be together like that because that's weird. Weird. And I'm using my camera as my mirror. so it's kind of hard. I'm getting better at it, but it's still difficult. Like, I find myself looking, instead of looking at the camera, I look up at my screen just to make sure everything's going smoothly. As you guys can see, I'm just kind of rolling back and forth. The longer you roll, the bigger that S pattern will be. And I'm trying to roll where the very bottom goes in, like down instead of out, because then down here I could use the bed as a, you don't want it to be like flipping outward because that'll look weird. Try and when you get towards the bottom, maneuver it so you can get into that bottom S. You know? So yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Follow me to my bathroom. Okay, much better. So you guys see, it is sort of looking like a vintage wave, but it isn't, because once I kind of mess it up, it's just a messy S pattern. S pattern? I don't know, you know what I'm saying. Yeah. But it's pretty cool. I like this look. My flat iron is incredible, so it obviously has like shine and looks healthy and looks awesome. You can mess it up to give it a little more volume if you want, but that's kind of the look. I'm gonna do the other side, and yeah. This hotel room is sweet. I have like a little kitchenette, like with a whole fridge and everything. Hi. Yeah, it's pretty cute. Oh, it's pretty cute. It has like a dishwasher, has all the things. It's pretty nice. This hotel room is pretty nice. I already made a mess. I always make a mess. Every time I'm in a hotel, I make a mess. I don't know how to turn on this light. Oh, like that. Much better. But yeah, it has a cute little couch. Cute little water ocean vibe feel, kinda. I don't know. I think they're just like splattered, like the art is like that here too, and just kind of the same there. But yeah, and then that's the desk that I'm recording my video. I got Buffalo Wild Wings makes, like, if you all follow my channel at all, you know that I don't eat meat really. So Buffalo Wild Wings now has cauliflower bites, and they're so good. I was really excited to see that they had like a vegetarian option. And yeah, obviously eating while on the road can be hard sometimes, because yeah, there's just like, you just never know what restaurants will be near you and who will have what. Different cities are better about having more vegetarian options, but I feel like the world is getting so much better, like from the time that I started to now. I mean, I think it's almost been, it's coming up on 10 years, I think, actually, that I haven't been eating meat, which is crazy. So again, I'm rocking back and forth. I totally am missing a piece. I'll just put that back there, and then I'll kind of restart it there and drag that in. I don't know if I did a good job. I'm gonna go back. See, that's the cool thing. You can go back. You can go back and just like do it again. It's almost like the ribbon pulling effect. All right, and then I'm gonna split the back stuff into two. My hair is so knotty from being on the airplane. Ooh. Okay, and then I'll do these. I don't know if it's helping you guys to see me do it over and over again, but I feel like that's helpful. Maybe I'll just talk about something else. Like, I'm really enjoying traveling with Amika. It's been really fun. I love training, and I love, I guess, just like everything about Amika. The brand is just incredible. If you guys haven't tried it yet, you're missing out. I know I've told you guys all the time. It's a clean brand, which is nice. But as far as like products go, the amount of ingredients that are in things that you don't realize aren't good for you and your body is insane. I would say that the less things you put in your body, the better, you know, no matter what. Like, it can't hurt. And if those things are banned in other countries, then there's gotta be a reason for it, right? So I think it's not a bad thing when brands are going clean. It's just to be safe. That means they care about their people, and you know, Amika also cares about the earth and the environment, and so that's really cool, and I love that about Amika. I'm always so proud. I'm like an Amika cheerleader. Amika, she's my man. If she can't love me, no one can. I got nothing. Yeah. Amika, that's the brand. If it don't love you, no one can. Cringe. Voila, and that's my hair. Thanks for joining me today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me in my hotel in St. Louis. I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked this hairstyle. Now I don't have to do my hair tomorrow. I'm just gonna dry shampoo, perk up. There it is. It leaves my hair feeling amazing. So biggest thing you need to know about perk up is you need to shake the can. It has rice starches in the bottom, so I'll probably tell you guys that every time because somebody new will be watching this video and is not gonna know, but they should know because there are rice starches. It's vegan, so instead of using like talc, they use rice starches. And so what happens is you want to shake it because at first when you spray it, it's fine, but the longer you use it, that rice starch will settle at the bottom, and then towards the bottom, you just have a bunch of rice starches. So it's not evenly distributed, and you want to shake it up. This is the newest Amika product. It is Top Gloss. It just came out like a week ago. It's a shine spray, so it's amazing. It has a very fine mist. So you can't like you can't spray too much in one spot unless like you literally sit there and spray it like that. But I love that because I have extensions in here. Sometimes you just need extra shine. When the education team first started using it, people were asking what filters were on their pictures, and it was just Top Gloss, which is really cool. Like, what filter are you using on that to make it look so shiny? Bam, that filter. Thanks so much for joining me. I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Hit the notifications button, then you'll know every time I post a new video. I'm gonna try to do more of these. I feel like this is the only way I can get time in to do them because I'm sort of alone chilling. And this is like the only free time I have is on travel days, and I feel like maybe this is one way to get these videos in, just because I've been working like overtime. I'm legit, not even joking, you guys, I have like no days off till next year. Not even over exaggerating. The only days I really have for myself are like holidays, which I'm totally fine with. I love being busy. If you know me, you already know that I love traveling, I love working, I love hair, makeup, all the things, beauty, and I love people, and I've been getting to spend a lot of time with a lot of people, so it's been really cool, and I appreciate your guys' support because I want to keep doing this too. I do love making YouTube videos as well, so thank you. See you next time. Bye, guys.